By using forms in Autodesk Build, companies can efficiently create, distribute, and manage safety checklists, enabling your team to complete them quickly and accurately. Forms in Build allow for the easy creation of custom checklists that are tailored to the specific needs of each job site. This ensures that all potential hazards are identified and that your team are equipped with the necessary information and tools to perform their daily tasks safely. Completed checklists can be easily submitted for review, and any issues identified can be addressed promptly and assigned to the team member responsible, reducing the risk of accidents and injuries on the job site. Using your safety checklist can improve compliance with safety regulations and reduce the risk of costly penalties. Completed checklists provide evidence of compliance with safety regulations, which can be critical in the event of an inspection or audit. Forms in Autodesk Build can enhance communication and collaboration among your company and your project stakeholders. Completed checklists can be easily shared with relevant personnel, ensuring that everyone has access to the most up-to-date safety information. This can improve the overall efficiency of your projects and help ensure that they are completed on time and within budget.